Jai Mata Di guys. So now I am going to start a generator. So for starting a generator, first I have to blow through the generator. मैं उसका lever लूँगा which locks the fuel racks in zero position. Put it to zero position. That is stop position. Open up the indicator cocks. Put the generator on the engine side. Press the start button. Let the turbine starter go. Engage with the flywheel and do a bit revolutions and then come back. When blow through happens from the cylinder, all the gases are going to come out. If at all there is any lube oil, fresh water or fuel oil, I can see over there. Once I find nothing is over there, then back to normal. I am going to shut the indicator cocks, put the lever back to normal, keep it on engine side, and I'll press the start button. Once I press the start button, again turning gear will turbine starter will get engaged. Your flywheel start turning, but this time now your governor is going to take the controls, immediately send the fuel racks inside for pumping the oil, for injecting the oil into the combustion chamber, and now at this point your RPM picks up and it goes like this, and you will see immediately as it reaches 900, it will go slightly above 900 and then it will come back. By that time governor has pulled back the racks. कि हाँ भाई RPM आ गया. Now I have to maintain 900 RPM. Once that is done, I'll check all the parameters, lube oil वगैरह all okay है, lube oil sump is okay, fine. All after checking all these things, I'll come back over here. Then I'll talk later. Come Jai Mata Di. Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata Di.
Guys, this is my turbine starter. The solenoid volt. Okay guys, air start one. This is going to engage with the flywheel over here. Can you see the gears? तो यहाँ पर जाके ये टीथ एंगेज करता है. Turbine starter. Okay. The first thing I do is I put it on left side. Okay. Now I press this. They should be either full close or full open guys. This is free. Always ensure that this lock nut is free and then you shut it. Okay, fine. I will check all these parameters over here. Okay, now I put this. Now guys, before starting the engine, check all the parameters. Cylinder cooling water pressure, cooler cooling water pressure, blue valve priming pump pressure. Okay? Now guys, when I am starting the engine, you have to see two things. One is this governor taking the control, and this is the governor. And the other is this anti-brake program. Okay? Okay. Have a look at this. Indicator modes are not easy. Exhaust controls are increasing. Can you see?
Okay guys, right now my number 3 generator is running. The parameters are over here. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the cylinder turbocharger, मतलब exhaust gas turbocharger inlet temperature to become stable, लगभग around 250 degrees each. So slowly you can see this one is increasing. Within 2 to 3 minutes it will become stable. Once it becomes stable and the turbine turbocharger has warmed up, then what we'll do is we will take the generator on load. Now come over here guys. See, when we take generator, when I have to take number 3 generator on load, there are simpler ways. One is, this is in manual, I put it in auto and I press the close button. The moment I press the close button, this generator will automatic come on load. Now right now when I started the generator, what happened was, now see guys, number 3 generator, this year started. See, already when the generator started, now its voltage has come to 440 volts. So that is because of the auto voltage regulator, AVR fitted inside the generator, near the generator side over there. So 440 volt. Frequency is N is equal to 120 F by P. So frequency depends upon RPM. So since RPM is 900, accordingly frequency is around 60-61 Hertz. Copy it guys? So frequency has also been achieved. Now important thing is when to take on load, as I discussed. I've got the voltage, I've got the frequency. The third most important phase is to take on in the same phase. So when I have to take on the same phase, guys, see now this is something that is very important. So when I have to take number 3 generator on load, so first of all thing is guys, I am going to do it manually. I'm not going to do it with the auto mode. Auto mode is very easy. Just press a button, it will automatically take care of everything. Simple, you can learn it on board ship as well. Just jao aur pata karo. But this is the important thing that you have to know is how to do it manually. So right now my number 3 generator turbocharger inlet temperature has come. So what I do is, now my number 1 generator is running. It is on 360 kilowatt loads over here, and I have to take number 3 generator in parallel load. So what I do is, I put it on manual over here. Generator control on manual, and I put this generator control on manual. The moment I put these on manual, that means now my PMS is not going to do anything. All I can do is I will do it myself. This is Praneeth Mehta doing all the things over here. Copy it guys? First thing, if I put it on auto, then my PMS will take care of everything. Open, close, I can do it from over here. But now I will put it on manual. So now nothing will happen with the PMS. It has completely been isolated. So now what I do is, I have to take number 3 generator on load. So I have to see, bhaiya, Now just have a look at this synchronoscope over here. Just have a look. Let's see what happens. Number 3 generator. So now you see guys over here. Can you see? This red turn is turning. This is telling me actually कि भैया now let me make it slow. So this is the governor. This is the जितना तेजी से जा रहा है, the fast rotation. See, I'll increase it. Can you see? Now it is rotating fast. Now let me rotate it slow over here. Let me make it slow. Let me make it very slow. Let me make it more slow. Let me make it in the opposite direction. So what is happening? Basically this is telling me that it is not in synchro. It should always be. Now see, by this I am increasing the governor at the generator RPM over here. So by this it means it is plus. That means your frequency is in the positive direction. It is slightly higher than 60. We want that. And now it is rotating slowly over here. Yes, it is rotating slowly. So now when my generator comes over here in this direction over here, that is the time when I can put my circuit breaker on load and take it on load, and then automatically with the governor I can parallel and increase or decrease the load. So guys, now let it rotate. It is rotating very slowly but in positive direction. That means the frequency is more than 60 Hz copied, and it is very slow but very near to 60 Hz. You can see over there as well. So now moment it comes near this is where it should be in sync. So the moment it reaches in this point, that is the point where I am going to close the ACB. I'll pull it out and I'll close it. In the next revolution I'm doing. And then immediately I am going to increase the load for this one and decrease the load for this one. Parallel mein. So now when it comes over here, I am going to take generator on load. Just have a look guys. Just have a look. I'll say Jai Mata Di and I'll put it on load. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now my generator is on load. See, right now my load is increasing over here. It is 39 kilowatts. Right? And over here it is how much?
328.
328 kilowatts. So now I am going to slowly increase the load on the number 3 generator. So see, I am raising the load of this generator, number 3 generator, and I am decreasing the load on number 1 generator over here. Can you see? You can see the loads over here guys, over here also. Bhabhi, you do not have to see over, you can see over here. It is right now around 100 kilowatts. It is around about 260 kilowatts. So now, you see, I am increasing. So I will bring in them both to approximate 200 kilowatts each. So now approximately guys the load is equal, right? So I can see it is around 180, just hold on. It is around 185 kilowatts over here on number 3 generator and around 183 kilowatts over here on number 1 generator. So that means guys, I have taken my generator on load in parallel. Understood guys? Now this is something very very important. Now I have taken my generator on load and I can put it on auto mode right now. मैं यहाँ से इसको लेके I'll put it on auto and it will take care of this. Similarly, if I have to stop the generator, now let it run for 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Now see, when I take it on load, now I'll see the temperatures over here. Now the temperatures started increasing. You see? They're getting stable right now. The turbocharger inlet temperatures. You see? This is something very very important that you need to look into. Got it guys? Now I have taken on load. I have shown you how to take on load, how this circuit breaker thing works. And now if I have to offload the generator, suppose my number 3 is running and now I have to offload it. So guys, first of all thing is, again right now my control is in manual. So what I do is, I'll slowly decrease the load of number 3 generator and slowly take the load on back to number 1 generator. And suppose when number 3 generator comes to around 10% of its load, say 60 kilowatt or 50 kilowatts or 30 kilowatts, that is the time I am going to put all the automatic load. I am going to open the ACB air circuit breaker and all the load is going to shift on the number 1 generator. Okay? So that is how we are going to do this. So let's take a 5 minutes break. I'll put the video on pause and then we'll start again. Okay guys, Jai Mata Di. So now my 2 generators are running in parallel at 190 kilowatt load and around 180 kilowatt load. Now suppose I have to offload number 3 generator in manual. See guys, in auto it is very easy. Put this on auto and just press the open button. So automatically the generator load is going to shift and then it will offload as well. Depending on power manual system, how it is incorporated. See, why I am not talking PMS over here? Because PMS system can be different on different ships. Somewhere there will be close buttons, somewhere there will be different buttons. So that is depends on ship specific. But this manual operation logic remains the same. Over here when I talk about synchroscope, say right now I am talking about number 3 generator. This is in sync right now, you will see over here. And also there are two ways. Synchroscope is over here also, this is also synchroscope. In which it is in sync means when your ACB upper, when you close ACB when upper lamp is dark, this is dark, then only you close the AP. So there are two ways to check whether it is in sync or not. I normally prefer this one. It is easy for me to do. Now I am going to guys offload the generator. So this is in manual. This is in manual. So what I do is, abhi slowly I am going to decrease the load of number 3 generator. And I am going to take the load of number 1. So you will see this is going down and this is going up slowly. Can you see? Now it is around 100 kilowatt. It is around 260 kilowatts. So I'll reduce it further. I'll bring it to around 50 kilowatts, 40 kilowatts, as less as possible. And then as soon as I put the breaker off, I'll open the breaker. All the load is going to shift to number 1 generator over there. So we'll have a look, guys. Just have a look over here. This is lower and this is raised. And you have to do it both parallel, guys. So it is around 50 kilowatts now. I'll reduce it slightly more. Brought it to 40 kilowatts. Reduce it slightly more. Okay. Now this is the time when I am going to open the breaker. So I pull it and I open. Copied, guys? So guys, again, you see number 3 synchroscope is started rotating like this. Earlier it was the same. This means frequency is more. If I have to increase or decrease the frequency, I can do it from here. Copied, guys? And you can see this light also. You see? Rotation of the light. When it is in sync, that means see both should be light and this should not glow. Just have a look. When it comes over here, both will be light and this will not be glowing. See? I hope you got it. You got this point, guys. And now I'll put it on auto. I've done it manually. Okay, guys. I put it on auto. Done, guys? Now, when I have to stop the generator, normally after running the generator for some time, we do not stop the generator immediately. We let the generator cool down, let the lube oil temperature come down. Why? Because especially in case of turbocharger bearings and everything, want turbocharger bearings to be cooled down properly. There should not be any carbonization on that part, and that is why this is a very important, that is cooling down of the generator. Copied, guys? One way is, if I have to stop the generator, can you have this look on the engine control? This is a red thing. I pull it and I put it on stop side, it will stop the generator. Another way is, I'll put it on auto. The moment I put it on auto, see it is saying cooling down period. This is what I want to show you. In our PMS system, there is 180 seconds given कि अगर आप auto में डालोगे, see now stop light is flickering and it will automatically cool down for 3 minutes and stop. So guys, our PMS system is so damn advanced out here, and normally on all the ships, it has given also period for cooling down. So now after 3 minutes, automatically my generator is going to stop. Depending on the timer, the overhead is 180 seconds. Or otherwise, I can do everything on manual if I know, I understand the system. Just put and stop over here. So guys, I hope you have understood how it works. Working on PMS is very easy, guys. सिर्फ button दबाना है, button बंद करना है. But why? Why do we do that? What PMS does during that time? That is very important for you guys to know. And that is the most crucial thing that you need to understand. So that is why manual का अगर आपका concept clear है, you will never make a mistake. Copy it, guys? So this is how you start a generator, you take on load, then you offload it, and then later on you stop it. Copy it, guys? Thank you very much. Jai Mata.